This is why ZEC won't address General Sanyatwe's controversial comments. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, known as ZEC, is under scrutiny. Recently, General Anselm Sanyatwe made remarks about imposing command voting. Many, including lawyer Thabani Mpofu, have urged ZEC to condemn these unconstitutional comments. However, ZEC has declined. They state that it's not within their remit to address such issues. Instead, ZEC advises that the matter should be taken up by the Zimbabwe Republic Police. This stance has raised questions about ZEC's role and responsibilities. Critics argue that as the electoral body, ZEC should take a firmer stand on issues affecting the integrity of elections. On the other hand, ZEC maintains that their focus remains on the electoral processes and not on public statements made by military officials. As debates continue, the citizens of Zimbabwe are left wondering about the implications for future elections. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.